We got here the keys to our new apartment. Prime location, one of the best neighborhoods in Rio, Leblon. We're hyped, man. We're about to check it out, give you guys a first look. If you haven't seen it yet, it's fully furnished already, so we don't have to deal with it. Can you go?
Those dollars get busted.
1306, here we go.
Huh?
Take the camera. Bro, here, take the camera, take the camera. Jesus Christ. Woo! Our new apartment, man!
We're down.
We got it fully furnished. We didn't want to deal with like all that buying couch bullshit. So look, we made it. We made it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. And this apartment complex has pool, jacuzzi, gym, restaurant downstairs. So we're gonna show you guys that too. But first, the apartment tour. Let's see. Living rooms. Sheesh. Little TV. We might have to get another TV, babe. Okay. Let's see this. Wow, bro, the views is crazy. Let's go. So hyped. Look at this. Little kitchen. You feel me? We don't need that much. This apartment was like around, they wanted 200K at first. I hassled them down to 150K. We're gonna renovate it a little bit and then Airbnb it. That's the plan. This is our room though. Wow. I know, man. It's the same view as the living room. And then that's the Christ right there, but you can see it because it's covered with the clouds.
Wow.
Let's go, man. Big closets. Wow, we big lit, yo. What the fuck is this? Yo, we need the keys to this. Bathroom. Nice. Elegance. Woo-hoo-hoo! We big lit, man. Open this up right here. Look at this. You can see the pool. Jacuzzi's not working though. What the fuck? Babe, jacuzzi's not working.
What?
Are you done with your poop?
Yeah.
Y'all, it's coming together. Putting our stuff away, you know. Big closets. Georgia's so organized. Man, I'm hyped. I'm very hyped about this place. Loved it. We love the place. You love the place, babe?
I love it.
Great
French
location. French style. Y'all seen the apartment. Now let's check out the, what do you call this place? Like, common area. We have a little restaurant. We got a restaurant in our apartment building, bro. Jacuzzi right there. Pool. We big lit, man. And then we're in the 13th floor. What you gotta say, man?
It's lit.
I don't know what the fuck that is, man, but big lit. I guess there's sauna here too. Sauna, bro. Oh, there it is. Sauna. We got outdoor showers right here. We got a sauna. Sheesh. Look at them. Sauna, more showers. All right, let's check out the gym because, you know, gotta stay fit. I think it's over here. I don't know, it's only my first day out here, you know? Okay, little massage table, Georgia got me. You know, we got a scale. Their metric system is different, so let's see how much I weigh. 82 in their metric system. What the fuck? This is it? Oh no, hold on. There's stairs. If that's it for the gym, bro, I'm be heated. Okay, there's some more stuff in here. We can play around. You can get better here. Boom. Bah, bah. You know what I mean? That jab vicious, my boy. I think that wraps up the tour. I think you guys have seen everything. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys the location. When you walk out the building, prime location. All right, this is our lobby. Then we walk out right here, and then you turn left right here, babe. Turn left right here, walk a couple steps, you know what I mean? And then, bam, this street right here has anything you want. Everything, man. And then Beach is a couple blocks that way. We literally walked 2 blocks and that is the beach. I think that will wrap up the tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
We're going to the fair.
Because we certainly did.
I
Yeah.
have to find Doof's Brazil bikini. Shout out to
Shout out Doof. We gotta go to the fair, do some shopping. Place is beautiful, man. Yo, y'all like the bucket hat? Just caught it off a street vendor, bro. For 25 reais, which is $4. $4.50 for this bucket hat. Sheesh. Yo.
Can I tell the vlog? This is my favorite restaurant in Portland. It's chicken Milanese. And it's huge. Look at the rest.
Georgia's been looking for like these little small
I'm gonna buy a few.
Brazil shirts. I guess they've been trending. So and the World Cup's coming, so she gotta get fitted for that.
Buy some for the homies. Rep Brazil.
Facts.
Oh.
Yo, she already copped 3 shirts. She's going crazy.
I need it.
I think in her past life she was Brazilian or something, bro.
I was.
Getting these for my dad. This is team. This will probably be for someone or myself. But look at all those. Goodies for the Lolo. You know what I mean? Are we back at our beautiful apartment? Now, Georgia wants to show you guys what she got at the fair. Go ahead, baby.
Vlog.
Wow.
Haul time. Okay.
We didn't get that at the fair. We just got that, though. And it's swag. We got a car collection back at home.
Tan interior.
That's fire.
Little buggy.
little
It says
pink.
Volkswagen on the back. Very slay.
Next.
Are you fucking joking? So cute. Are you joking? Slay.
These as
Number
well.
1. Oh.
Colors of it, you feel me?
T number 3.
Sheesh.
$15 for the t-shirts. They were $5 each. And then the bikinis were $10 each.
So,
Cut the cameras.
about $40 for the whole fit, man.